अरे देख रहे रुको ना सबको देखेंगे चल एक वेगळे पोज टेबल टेबल पे बैठे बैठ के बैठ सर सिंगल सिंगल ये रेनकोट वाला माइक किसका बारिश की ओके या who's going to ask question
2016 has started on
सामने आना
So 2016 has started on a great positive note for you. How do you see this year panning out? And with Rustam coming and a great buzz being created on the social media and among fans, what do you have to say?
Well, since I've been in this industry, all years have been very good. For me, being in this industry is very big. So I wouldn't say that any year has been bad because that'll be not right on my part. So yes, this film, I hope it comes out and turns out to be a good movie and people like it because the expectation is there, people want to see it, and I just pray that people like the film.
So whenever you have donned the uniform, you know, the reaction has been extremely good from your fans and the audience. So this time around it's the Navy uniform, so what is the feeling like?
Feeling is, when you wear a uniform, the feeling completely changes. You feel very responsible, you feel very proud about the responsibility what you have. So it has been a great honor to wear a Navy uniform, and I'm glad people like it at the moment. Yeah.
So there is a lot of support coming in from the industry. Ranveer Singh.
तो तू ही पूछेगा कोई और नहीं
Sir, यही सवाल. Sir, Ranveer Singh's video has been trending a lot. There are others. Salman also did some. What is your reaction when you saw all those videos? I mean.
Well, it's great when the industry supports you, and I'm very thankful to Salman for starting this whole thing, and then I'm very thankful to Ranveer, Sonakshi, Karan Johar, Sonam. So things have been. It is nice to see the whole fraternity coming together and doing this. So I'm very very thankful to them.
अक्षय सर, आपका जो लुक है काफ़ी अलग लुक है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या इंस्पायर किया आपको इस लुक के लिए और किससे इंस्पिरेशन ली थी आपने लुक के लिए?
इस फिल्म के अंदर लुक के अंदर जो खास करके जो मेरी मूछें हैं वॉज इंस्पायर्ड बाय माई मैनेजर्स फादर. शी इज़ अ पारसी. सो उनके मैंने पिताजी की तस्वीर देखी थी जब जो कि उनकी शादी में खिंचवाई गई थी, तो वो इंस्पिरेशन थी.
सर, जैसे आपने अभी शादी का जिक्र किया, तो शादी का एक जो पार्ट है फिल्म में जहाँ पर इलियाना और आपकी शादी हो रही, तो वहाँ पर जूनियर आर्टिस्ट का नहीं लेकिन असली में पारसी लोगों को बुलाया गया, तो उस इंसिडेंट के बारे में कुछ बताया सर?
बस यही है कि उस वक्त इट वाज सो नाइस टू सी ऑल द पारसीज देयर, एंड जितने भी लोग आप देखोगे उस मैरिज के अंदर, छोटा सा सीन है, कोई बड़ा सीन नहीं है, लेकिन सबके सब पारसी आए हुए थे, एंड वी वर ऑल वेरी हैप्पी, एंड इट फेल्ट लाइक अ पारसी वेडिंग. सो द सीन वाज वेरी रियल.
कोई कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला उनसे आपको?
बहुत सारे मिले ना. They loved your look in it.
Yeah, so I'm just figuring out the word and the way he said it. अक्षय, तुम पारसी कपड़ों में अच्छा लगता है.
Akshay, since 12th is just around the corner, give us your 5 reasons to watch this film first day, first show.
Well, it's a different subject. It's based on real life stories, and it's the first time somebody is playing a Parsi Navy officer. Neither has anybody played a main lead Parsi or an officer's role. So, and plus it's a subject which is going to be loved by women, and this subject is also going to be, I think so, it can save a lot of people's marriages and can just.
रुस्तम रिलीज हो रही है और दूसरी तरफ मोहिंजोदारो रिलीज हो रही है, दोनों बड़ी फिल्म है, तो दोनों क्लैश हो रही है. कुछ प्रकार का प्रेशर,
हाँ जी,
कोई प्रकार का प्रेशर, मोहिंजोदारो भी रिलीज हो रही है,
हाँ.
दोनों फिल्में क्लैश हो रही है.
What's the pressure?
Pressure. What is the pressure? Okay, no pressure कुछ नहीं है, because ये बहुत बड़ा हफ्ता है, and I think दोनों फिल्में आ सकती हैं, and it'll be very both the films can handle the whole week, and they both can come out as winners.
Isha, but regret not being able to romance Akshay in this film?
Inshallah, next time.
जैसे बॉलीवुड में आप ऐसे पहले एक्टर मतलब आप एक्टर हो, साल में 4 या 5 फिल्में करते हो, तो कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने मूवी कंप्लीट हो गई हो पर रिलीज़ नहीं हुई, ऐसी कोई मूवी है आपकी?
Ilyana,
Akshay sir,
Yes.
did you have any apprehensions while taking up a character that probably Akshay lovers would not warm up to?
I didn't honestly think about the Akshay lover's perspective. I just took it up, and I did have thoughts about, because normally I think it's safer to play a heroine role where you're a positive person and you come across as, someone who doesn't have a lot of flaws. But I like the fact that we not only showed this perfect marriage, but we also showed the cracks in the marriage. We also showed a woman who's really not perfect and who does make mistakes. So I like that. I like the relatability of it. And I mean, if I've done a good job, there may be a tiny amount of understanding from the women. Akshay's seen the film, I haven't, so fingers crossed that people like it. But I gave it my heart and soul. It was a very honest performance for me, and yeah, very emotional as well.
Akshay, is there a general perception in the Indian society that only men can cheat and women can't? I mean, on an average, generally, if you see,
No, there's
or
nothing
how
like
do you look at it, sir?
I think this answer a woman should do.
Could you repeat that question, please?
No, is there a general perception that only men cheat and women don't? Generally,
So you're saying like generally as in
Yeah, generally
India
as in-
or just generally?
generally. Is
No,
there a
I
common
think
percep-
it's men and women. I think it's a human nature. Maybe you can even say whether it's cheating in your exam or cheating on your spouse. Like even if you do slip, it's just that because it's a man's world, her film में ये दिखाया है, her life में दिखाया है, तो they expect that okay, men should be forgiven because men are the ones who are bringing bread and butter to the table. I think that's the reason. But I think I'm not saying that men should cheat and women should forgive, or women should cheat and men should forgive. But it's just that if the man cheats, the same man, if the wife cheats, he should think that what if my wife cheats, would I forgive her? And just go for it, just go for the forgiveness, or vice versa.
तो अभी के आप जैसे कि आपने देशों में कैमियो किया था, तो अगर आपको कोई ऐसी मूवी मिले एज अ गे बनने के लिए पूरी फीचर फिल्म, तो आप करोगे वो?
It all depends. अगर फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होगी करेंगे.
Akshay, 25 years in the film industry now. You are also ranked among the top 100, highly paid celebs in the world. How do you take such compliments, such tags, and what does money mean to you today in today's time?
Well, it's a big thing that something like this comes and you are placed in such high places, and it's humbling. And बस यही मैं कहूँगा. Thank you. क्या कर सकता हूँ इससे ज़्यादा क्या कहेंगे?
We take the last question.
अक्षय 12 को फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है और 15 अगस्त भी है. आज़ादी क्या मायने रखती है, अगर आप तीनों से ये सवाल करें?
और जी मैंने आज़ादी के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम किया अभी जी पे, वो तो आप देख लें.
Any of the Chupa Rustam quality you got to know about Akshay while doing the shoot?
No, whatever you guys know, we know exactly the same. I don't think he has anything jo he's not the type that he has a dual personality. We all have a lot of personalities in general. We are different from people, but he's very open.
छुपा के रखी है, दिखाया नहीं अभी तक. I've not seen any sort of qualities.
So मेरा नाम है अक्षय कुमार और मेरे परिवार वालों की तरफ से आप सभी सुनने वालों और देखने वालों को हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
And hi, I'm Ilyana De Cruz, and I'd like to wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day.
Hi, I'm Isha Gupta, and wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.